Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hey people, Gary here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using my lead gen secrets. Alright guys, and possibly Chat GPT. Don't know for sure yet, but we'll see. And yeah, the reason that we promote the $25 business is because it's affiliate program, which is the best I ever seen. 80% recurrent income. And the products that are not recurring is still 80%, guys. It's fantastic. All right. And even if you don't use the method that I'm gonna use in this video, promote this product. It's just the greatest one I've found. Period. Right. So, if you guys are interested, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. All right. So first and foremost, we're gonna look at our results here. Looks like we didn't get a sale yesterday, but we're gonna refresh the page. I like to refresh the page in front of you guys so you know these are real numbers. This is money going into my bank account. All right. Right, looks like we did not get a sale yesterday. Not a big deal, not a big deal. We started pretty strong. We'll get back to it. All right, so this is the email. This is the link that I use when I promote this product. And the first thing we need to do for you guys is to get your links. I just wanted to make sure you guys knew which link I use in particular. I've tried a couple of links. That's the one that seems to work for me. I posted a bunch of links, right, bite to bite. This one the one that get the sale first, so I just stick to it. That's how I tested it with this method in particular. All right, so yeah, if you guys want to use this link, that's cool, but first we got to get your links. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to my description in my video here, and you're gonna you're gonna see step 1 and step 2. Now you're gonna click on the step 1 link. It should take you to a page look something like this. This is the sales letter for the $25 business. Talks about what it is, what it does, how much money you can make, blah blah blah, right? Now if you're interested in what it actually is, it's a funnel builder, a pretty solid funnel builder for $25 per month. It's actually a really good deal. It's a really good product, so you won't feel scummy promoting the product because it's actually a really good product. One thing I want to mention here is that you can get $20 and $100 monthly commissions with this particular product, guys. That's $120 off of each customer every month. If they stay in for a year, what's that like? About $1,440, something like that. I'm thinking right. That's one year with one customer. You made over $1,000 on, just like that. And that's if they only stay for a year. They stay longer than that, guys. You're making a lot of money. You know what I mean? So anyway, guys, this is what we're gonna click on. Yes, I want it. Right? Obviously, I'm gonna put in our basic information here. Boom, boom, boom. Get the product. Boom, complete order. One thing I want to mention: you do get this for 14 days free HBA Premium here if you use my link. And what that potentially is, basically training on how to get sales on a bunch of different websites in a bunch of different ways, like ads, Facebook ads, group, YouTube, podcast, and so on and so forth, right? And stuff is constantly updated. So for example, LinkedIn wasn't originally up here, but it got added because some people found a way to promote this product on LinkedIn successfully, and they showing you how to do that. So it's stuff like that that you just have to do and get right, and constantly updated. And also some stuff get taken down because the method that they use don't work anymore. So some stuff might get taken down. Like, say for example, let's say Solar Ads don't stop working. They'll take it off. Basically it's constantly updated, so you up to date with methods, you know what I mean? So anyway, guys, you also got a an AI content creation machine. That's basically kind of like Chat GPT in a way, but it just helps you create content for your posts and stuff like that, based on this particular product and whatever product that you want to promote. But mainly this one is kind of geared towards this product here in particular. But anyway, guys, you get all that 2 weeks. And the coolest thing about this is that if you get a sale with HBA Premium, you keep the $100. That'd be 80%, guys. 80% on everything. So $20 for this, $100 from this. All right, that's how that works. All right, now guys, I'm gonna show you the method that is working for me when it comes to promoting this particular product. All right, so first and foremost, go to my links. You go to my description, and once again you're gonna see the second link. Second link gonna say my lead gen secrets. All right, what is my lead gen secrets? My lead gen secrets gives you 100 leads per day. You can email once per day. All right, so we're just gonna come in here. We're gonna go to our mailing system here. We're gonna click on select all, and we're gonna pick our next since we got them all in this. I think it's this one. So we put this email in there, and that's that email there. Very simple email. Love it. So we're gonna hit perfect timing, right? We're gonna hit preview. Now the reason we hit preview is so we can check and see if the link works real. And the link does work, guys. The link does work. Fantastic. Now the other reason why I want to hit preview is because I want to give you guys a chance to copy the email in its full entirety. So all you gotta do, pause the video, copy this right here, pause the video, copy the rest. All right, that's all you need to do. I just want to make sure you guys get a chance to copy it, and you're done. And that's it. We send the email. Finished, guys. Oh, perfect time. I ain't talking about that. Perfect timing sends the email around the time that people check email. So for example, if you were to check your emails around 8 o'clock, you'll send an email around 8 o'clock, so it's a good chance you catch it. You'll get it right at the top of your list, so it's a very good chance they'll get it right at the top of their list. They won't ignore it, you know what I mean? Stuff like that. So that's the goal for perfect timing. All right, guys, so yes, as I shown you, very simple to do, very easy, very concise. This is the easiest way to promote this product. Now if you want a more relevant way, so to speak, a way that I won't say relevant, I'd say more elusive way, right? Lucrative way, right? I would say posting shorts on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and TikToks. Make a short at least every day and post on all 3 websites. And you just do that over and over again. Eventually something will go viral. And when that one thing goes viral, you make a lot of money. When you if you got your links just set up right and all that. So that's all there is to that, guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.